LayerCake paint does exactly what you think it's going to do, and that's what makes it so special, and that's the reason it's one of our most popular art supplies. And because of its wonderfulness and its popularity, we have over 100 colours in these now. Here I've taken all of the individual pans from the larger palettes and I've arranged them in rainbow order and also swatched them out. Unfortunately, I didn't make my swatch sheet big enough. I have to have a part 2 at some point. Look how great it looks on coloured papers. It looks amazing on black or dark papers. Now we've got the addition of the colour wheels. They're fabulously easy to use because they fit in the palm of your hand, and each one is a colour mood, a colour vibe. We also have our travel palettes with a mermaid embossed tail on them, the secret ingredients, and the sweet treats palettes. So they're very pretty to look at, but using them, that's where the real fun starts. And you can get these really wonderful thick creamy effects, or you can add just more water and get more of a watercolour style. They layer like acrylics beautifully, especially on each other, and when they dry it has a beautiful velvety soft appearance that you can also use a matte fixative on top of, just to keep everything in place. There are 6 large palettes, 9 colour wheels, and 2 travel palettes. Some of the colours are repeated in the different palettes because each one is specifically designed to be helpful to you, and there are some colours that you need in palettes more than once. So like whites, for instance, black, beige, neutrals. These colours can be a little bit tricky to mix, and we need those colours in there so that we can draw people. And all of us gorgeous humans come in such a beautiful range of colours. We need as many beigey and beautiful brown skin tones as we can gather. And the bright colours really hit those high notes, really get the attention of our eyes. But there's plenty of calmer colours in this collection of beauties as well. And of course you can mix the colours to make infinity colours. It is very, very convenient though, having just the right colour that you need at your fingertips. The whole idea with the LayerCakes is to make being creative, being artistic, as easy for you to get into as possible, so that you look or think of your art supplies and you just want to go and create, whether it's for 3 minutes, 10 hours, just getting that creative time is so precious and important. So we want to make it as amazing as possible, and LayerCake, I promise you, is one of those art supplies that just will fill up your art tank every time. LayerCake is exclusive to my website at janedavenport.com, and we send all over the world to happy artists like you every day.